lovies, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to view my video. Let me tell you, you are my energy. Because of you, that's why I keep creating content. So thank you so much for letting me keep going. But if it's the first time you're watching my video, hello, how are you? Welcome and welcome. My name is Glory. Before you leave, kindly subscribe and turn on notification bell. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to share as much as you can. So in today's video, I use expression hair 2 packs. I use color 1. I cut into 2, then I stretch my hair. In case you don't know how to stretch, this is how I stretch. But you may also decide to use the hair which already stretched. That is also good. And after I stretch, I pass my finger just to avoid the tangle. Then I brush again with brush. I use this kind of yarn. This is thin yarn, but in case you don't know, let me show you what is different. This is bigger and small, and I'm going to use this small because when I make my wig, I don't want the up side show like they're too big, so that's why I use this small yarn. This is the section of the hair I'll be using in every single tie, and this is how I tie my hair, just very simple like this. If you use too big section, it means the hair will unravel very fast. But if you use small section, that is perfect. You're gonna love your wig. Every time before I tie well, I make sure I pull the hair and put hair very closely. Then I secure it well. And this is how the hair looks in back. So let me do a quick length check. Here total the length is 28 inches long without making curly. So here I'm going to start with 7 inches clip. So I'm going to separate here. And then I'll be using this hard straw, not too soft. And I'll also use bobby pin to secure my straw. Here I'm going to divide a small section each. You may either decide to make a little big section depending on how big you want your curl to be. In the beginning, I bend the straw and then I use bobby pin to secure or to avoid the straw to unravel, and then I roll and wrapping. This is how I make curly. To get good curly, just roll and wrap. Not too powerful or no need to use too much energy, just relax. Roll and wrap, roll and keep wrapping till end of this straw. So after I wrap all hair, to avoid the hair to unravel down, so I bend the straw again. So here I bend up and down. Then I use another bobby pin to secure this straw. Then I trim all excess hair.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we like. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond.
So here I'm going to cut the yarn, and I keep some space so that later on I'll have enough yarn to tie to avoid my hair to unravel or my hair to move out. I'm going to add a little leave-in conditioner. You may add any leave-in conditioner just to make your hair smooth and also easy to separate or to unravel when you want to unravel. I put the hair in, then I add hot water. I make sure my hair they are in this hot water for about 2 minutes or 3 minutes, and then I remove them and I wait till the hair become completely dry. And here my hair is already dry. I'm going to remove the bobby pin, and guys, yeah, let's see how the hair looks like, how the curly come out like.
And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling.
So to get perfect curly, I cut the straw on top, then I pull the hair slowly, and when I pull the hair, I make sure I start from up to avoid to lose the curly. And guys, you may see how beautiful the hair looks like. You cannot believe this is DIY, guys. This is how the hair looks like. This is different length. So here I'm going to iron on top. You may either decide to use clothes iron or you may decide to use hair iron. Just do anything that works for you. For me here, I'm going to use clothes iron, and I'm going to iron. Don't use high temperature, just use low temperature, and then slowly I start iron my hair, and I iron only on top. And this is how this side I iron looks like. So I'm going to turn this hair, and I'm going to do the same thing to this other side. And guys, this is the time you're going to change your hair into another level. So take your time, do your things slowly, but make sure it's perfect. Iron slowly. Because here is the time you're going to get your wig. After this step, I'm telling you, you're going to smile and smile and smile. And this is how the hair looks like, guys. They're so cute. I love them. I ordered these clips online. I'll put the link in the description below in case you're interested to know how you can get it. These clips are those clips you can open, place the wig in your hair, and then lock them. Yes, just like this. And I'm going to use this yarn and needle. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to start with these 10 inches. Oops, don't forget you have to tie the yarn immediately after you finish iron, or you may decide to turn them even before you iron. Just tie anytime after you remove straw. You may decide to tie there, or when you cut, tie. Just you can tie anytime. I'm so sorry, I forgot to show how I tie. This is 10 inches. I'm going to add 5 clips. So I'm going to attach these 5 clips.
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
I trim off end of this curly just to make very easy to unravel, especially if you add a little leave-in conditioner. So each twist I'm going to unravel only one time. But if you want your curly to be more small, of course you have to unravel more. You may unravel maybe one curly, you may unravel 2 times, 3 times, depending on how big or how small you want your curly to be like. And so guys, this is my hair before I unravel, and this is after I unravel. This is how it looks like. So let me go ahead and put on these clips, guys. And yes, so I do a easy flat twist. You may either do flat twist, you may either do cornrows, just do anything you can do it, just something easy. And this is our wig. When you put on, it depends. For me, I started with 9 inches, but depending on shape of your head, so you may decide with maybe 7 or maybe 10, depending on shape of your head. And before you put your clips, you have to make sure you open them, place them on your head, and then don't forget you have to lock clips to avoid your hair to falling down or to move, just to make something beautiful and make things easy, guys.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
To blend my hair with this curly in this front part, I take small section and I do twist. Very small section, and I take only one curly, and then I twist my natural hair till my natural hair end. I hope you love this video. You don't need to spend 300 USD, 500 USD to buy wig. Now you know how to make it by yourself. And to make this wig took me very short time. I think like 4 or 5 hours only to make all this full body wig. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Kindly subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so that more people can see. Don't forget to share with your loved one. I love you so much, guys. I will see you soon. Bye bye.